Magdamay tayo para kay tatay. So, meron tayo ng guwapal. Wow. I just want to thank the Lord for the life ng tatay na. But today, this is like, I just want to acknowledge so much to tell that you already have witnessed and have experienced who and what really tatay is. So right now, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for being here in Manila. There are faces that I haven't seen for a long time. And even si Kuya Eddie Mesa was talking to me. Sabi niya, kasi nga parang naglilista ako kung sino yung mga kaibigan ni tatay, parang nawala na but he was planning to be here.
Pastor Bunny na iba.
Si Bunny na lang daw matanda ngayon. But I thank God, 10 days shy away from our departure, pauwi ulit sa US. I was thinking makikita ko pa si tatay. I'm so blessed na makatawag ng pangalan niya, matawag talaga sa ating lahat mahal. Lahat kami sa mga anak niya, apo niya, he addresses us mahal. And it's really true, it's really coming from his heart. I will miss tatay, pero it's the will of the Lord that nandito kami ngayon na nawala siya. Kasi nakikita ko, sabi ko, wow, nakikita ko yung mga taong mahal niya. On our way to the airport on November 6 when we departed, on our way to New York sa airport, dumaan kami ulit sa kanya. Sabi niya sa akin, hintayin kita mahal. Kaya medyo disappointed ako. Disappointed ako na hindi ko siya makikita. Pero at the same time, I am actually relieved na wala na iniisip si Ina. Si Ina, I wanna thank my siblings, especially si Ina at si Mispa. Sila tumuto kay tatay. Si Ina kahit malayo, hindi niya binitawan si tatay. 24/7 nakatutok si Ina at si Mispa. I'm grateful for my sisters, pero mas natutuwa din ako makita na, like, if I look at your faces today, lahat kayo may kwento sa buhay namin. And I'm so blessed na naging anak ni Amador Gapilango Sr. And I'm very proud. Kanina, nangiyak-iyak talaga ako sa pagpupuri sa Panginoon just to see 30, Amador Gapilango III. Dahil sa napakaganda niyang paglilitan, tatay, I know that the Lolo 30, your Lolo is very proud of you. Thank you so much, mahal. You did a very good job in bringing us in the presence of the Lord. Presence of the Lord talaga. Tatay, nag-imagine ko tatay na sumasay. Gusto ni tatay kumanta. And I'm so thankful for my brother June. Alam ko ayaw niya rin mag-pastor. Thank you, June, na kung pinapakilala ka, si tatay pinapakilala. Because I know that they see tatay in you. Kaya gano'n. So, maraming mga taga na gusto ko i-acknowledge ngayon. The only surviving sister ni tatay, Auntie, from Palawan, from Rojas, Palawan, kayo, Auntie. Ito ang gusto kapatid ni tatay. He is 84 years old. Iiyak naman sa akin. Mahal ni tatay at kanyang mga kapatid. At itong mga kagayat, saka favorite niyang pamangkin, ay pinsan, ni Sarah. Nag-oda kagayanin sa akin po ngayon, mga kagagayan sa iyo. Thank you kayo mga kapag-anak. I really haven't seen them, but they're here. Thank you. Ikaw mga mahal palagi iiyakan ni tatay na mga taong mahal niya. At si Jared, salamat Jared. And also, I want to thank yung mga tumatawag kay tatay na daddy. Dito itong mga inampun ni tatay, itong mga sa third floor, tayo ko yung apat place. Third floor. And itong mga tatlo. Sila yung mga ampun-ampun ni tatay, and they traveled all the way from Malayo, San Pablo City, right? San Pablo City. Yan sa Kagaling Mahal. si Linyas, but itong dalawa to ay mga apo namin ganito sila kaldir noon. And of course, yeah, karoon ng apo na rin namin. But anyway, hindi ako nagsulat ng ano, I just want to thank the Lord for all of you. Akala ko kaya yun yung mga salita ka. Okay, anyway, hindi ko na, you know that I'm just very grateful and privileged na I have a big family and we have a God na alam natin na because of our relationship, tayo lahat talaga magkakapatid. And I'm very thankful that you guys made it, talaga made it here tonight. Maraming salamat po. I love you all.
Just want to thank GCF and Dipolo for providing us with the music, BBSI for allowing us to use the chapel, our text at the back here at the front. So thank you very much. We appreciate you all. Thank you for making the trip. And don't worry, we're eating after this.